The semiconductor equipment market is on fire, and Lam Research is leading the charge. But is this success a sign of a thriving industry or a warning sign of intensifying competition? Lam Research's stellar performance. Lam Research, a powerhouse in the semiconductor equipment arena, has smashed expectations with its Q3 2025 results. The company's adjusted EPS of $1.26 and revenue of $5.32 billion surpassed analyst estimates, signaling a robust market for advanced chip manufacturing equipment. This success is a direct result of the AI revolution, which is driving demand for cutting-edge technology. The AI supercycle. The industry is experiencing an AI supercycle, a powerful force that's not just a buzzword, but a catalyst for extraordinary growth. As AI applications demand more sophisticated chips, the need for advanced manufacturing equipment skyrockets. Lam Research's leadership in plasma etch and thin film deposition technologies is a key advantage in this race. Market response and winners. The market's reaction to Lam Research's performance has been overwhelmingly positive. The company's stock has soared, reflecting renewed investor confidence in the semiconductor equipment sector. But here's where it gets controversial. This success could create both opportunities and challenges for other players. Potential winners include other equipment manufacturers, major chip manufacturers, Lam's customers, and supply chain partners who will benefit from increased business. Potential losers and competitive pressures. However, not everyone is in the clear. Direct competitors in etch and deposition technologies may face increased pressure as Lam Research solidifies its market position. Companies with less exposure to AI-specific chips or advanced nodes might struggle to keep up with the rapid growth. And with high demand straining the supply chain, companies less equipped to manage these complexities could face increased costs and longer lead times. Wider industry implications. Lam Research's success is a microcosm of the broader semiconductor equipment industry's trajectory. Global sales are projected to hit record highs in 2025 and 2026, driven by AI and memory chip demand. This growth is fueled by capacity expansions in logic and memory, supporting AI applications and technological miniaturization. But it's not all smooth sailing. Geopolitical tensions and regulatory policies like the U.S. CHIPS Act shape the industry's landscape, impacting market access and supply chain strategies. Navigating growth in geopolitics, the semiconductor equipment industry is poised for accelerated growth, but it's a delicate balance. In the short term, IC sales and capital expenditure are expected to surge. However, companies must navigate geopolitical headwinds, supply chain complexities, and the escalating costs of advanced manufacturing. Strategic shifts, such as supply chain diversification and regionalization, are becoming essential. The road ahead. Looking ahead, the industry's long-term trajectory remains exceptionally positive, with projections reaching over $1 trillion by 2030. This growth is underpinned by megatrends like AI, IoT, 5G, and autonomous vehicles, demanding ever more advanced chips. But challenges persist, including talent shortages and supply chain disruptions. Investors should monitor key indicators like AI infrastructure investments, memory market dynamics, and geopolitical developments to gauge the industry's health and potential risks. In summary, Lam Research's success is a beacon of the semiconductor equipment market's vitality, but it also underscores the intensifying competition. As the industry rides the AI supercycle, companies must innovate, adapt, and navigate geopolitical complexities to secure their place in this dynamic landscape.